Welcome to Rapid Reads Club. Have you ever wondered why some people seem happy even with limited resources while others possess wealth, fame, and success but still feel empty? Why do some people remain calm in the middle of life's storms while others lose hope at the first sign of difficulty? The answer may lie in one simple yet powerful word: balance. Welcome back to the channel. Today we explore the timeless wisdom inspired by the remarkable book Zindagi ka Meezan, which means Balanced Life, by Professor Dr. Javed. This book reminds us that a meaningful life is not built on extremes but on maintaining harmony between every important aspect of our existence. Let's begin this inspiring journey together. Life is like a scale. Imagine an old weighing scale when both sides are balanced. Everything works perfectly. But if one side becomes too heavy, the entire scale tilts. Our lives work in exactly the same way. If we focus only on money and ignore our family, life becomes unbalanced. If we work day and night but neglect our health, success loses its value. If we chase worldly achievements but forget our spiritual responsibilities, we may gain everything except inner peace. So, true happiness comes from maintaining balance. The balance between success and peace. Modern society often teaches us to run faster than everyone else. We compare ourselves with friends, colleagues, and even strangers on social media. But real success is not simply reaching the top. It is reaching the top without losing your values, your relationships, or your peace of mind. A balanced person knows that success should improve life, not consume it. The other idea of this book is the importance of time. Every human being receives the same 24 hours each day. Some build extraordinary lives with them. Others waste them without realizing their value. Time is more valuable than money because once it passes, it never returns. A balanced person divides time wisely between work, family, learning, rest, worship, and personal growth. Small daily improvements eventually become great achievements. The other beautiful idea of this book is health is true wealth. Many people sacrifice their health while earning money. Later, they spend their money trying to recover their health. This cycle can often be avoided. Take care of your body, exercise regularly, eat healthy food, sleep properly. A healthy body supports a healthy mind, and together they create a productive life. Another significant idea of this book is the power of good character. Knowledge may open doors, talent may create opportunities, but character earns lasting respect. People may forget your achievements, but they will always remember how you treated them. Honesty, kindness, patience, humility, and compassion are qualities that never lose their value. True greatness begins with good character. The other key idea of this book is family, that is the greatest blessing. Many successful people later realize that they spent years building a career while missing precious family moments. Children grow up. Parents grow old. Time never waits. A balanced life means giving importance to those who stand beside us during both success and failure. The happiest homes are built with love, respect, understanding, and forgiveness. Another beautiful idea and key lesson of this book is learning never ends. Education doesn't end with graduation. Life itself is the greatest classroom. Read books, listen to wise people, learn from your mistakes, develop new skills. Every day offers a chance to become a better version of yourself. Continuous learning keeps the mind fresh and the heart humble. The other beautiful idea of this book is about facing difficulties. Life will never be free from problems. Everyone experiences disappointment, failure, loss, and uncertainty. The difference lies in our response. Balanced people do not panic during hardships. Instead, they remain patient, learn from challenges, and continue moving forward. Every difficulty carries a hidden lesson. Sometimes life's greatest blessings arrive disguised as obstacles. Another beautiful idea of this book is gratitude changes everything. Many people focus only on what they do not have. As a result, they overlook countless blessings already surrounding them. So, gratitude transforms ordinary movement into extraordinary happiness. Be thankful for your health. Be thankful for your family. Be thankful for opportunities to learn and improve. A grateful heart experiences peace even during difficult times. So, how do we do the balance between material and spiritual life? Material success is important. We all need financial stability, but money alone cannot satisfy the human soul. A balanced life includes spiritual growth, moral values, prayer, reflection, and kindness toward others. When material progress and spiritual development move together, life gains true meanings. The other significant idea of this book is your daily choices shape your future. This is a great lesson of this book. Great lives are rarely built through one big decision. Instead, they are created through thousands of small daily choices. Choosing honesty, choosing discipline, choosing patience, choosing forgiveness, choosing learning, and choosing gratitude. These simple choices gradually transform our future. Every sunrise offers a new opportunity to begin again. So, to sum up, we can say that the message inspired by Professor Dr. Javed Iqbal's book Zindagi Ka Meezan is beautifully simple. A meaningful life is not about having more, it is about living wisely. Balance your ambitions with compassion. Balance your work with your family. Balance your wealth with generosity. Balance your knowledge with humility. And balance your dreams with your values. When these elements come together, life becomes richer, calmer, and far more fulfilling. So, if today's discussion inspired you, I strongly encourage you to read Zindagi Ka Meezan, which means Balanced Life, by Professor Dr. Javed Iqbal. The original book offers valuable insights that every reader can benefit from. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel Rapid Reads Club. And tell us in the comments, what does a balanced life mean to you? Until next time, keep learning, keep listening, keep growing, and remember, a truly successful life is not measured by what we own, but by how wisely we live. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.